Hook up, hook up. Yeah, buddy. Listen to that. Woo-hoo. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wally Outdoors. Today I have my partner with me, Thomas. Say hello. We had some fun this morning. We already actually went on our trip. Went down the Cape today and did some striper fishing. And the action was not as good as I had hoped for, but we still got some fish. We saw a coyote, which is cool, and Tommy caught a couple on the fly rod. He's pretty tired. He only got a couple hours of sleep. So anyhow, I'm gonna leave you with that, and hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. Alrighty, see you in a bit. Thomas on his first one. We haven't even really got to the spot yet. And he hooked up. Nice, brother. Hope we get in. Oh, that quick release.
Right here, right next to me.
Yeah. Sweet, bro. Was that what you felt them on a couple of your casts?
Yeah.
So, I don't know if you guys can see him, but straight across there's a big coyote over there. Just walking the bank. Checking us out, scoping us out. There he goes, running from left to right. Oh yeah, much better fish. There we go. There's a little better fish. What am I getting? Thomas. There you go, Thomas. Not too bad fish there. Check him out, guys. Nice striper. We'll let him go. He's loaded with sea lice. Got sea lice all over his nose there. He definitely needs to be revived for a minute because he's not feeling the takeoff here. There he goes. Always revive those fishies. Let's get another one. Come on, buddy. Just want to get the hook out of your face. There we go, guys. Nice striper. And let him go. Let's get the fly rod out. I think I'm gonna try the top water here for a couple of minutes anyway. We'll see what happens. Oh! Oh, there we go. On the top, baby, on the top. Yes. All right. Dude, that had to look so cool on the GoPro. That was freaking awesome. You get one? Oh, yeah. Nice. Tommy's hooked up. I'm hooked up. Striper's on the fly. This fish exploded on this popper. Oh. Oh. Whose is bigger? We got him. We found him. Oh, man. Huh? I have a fairly decent fish. You know what? I think my line's wrapped around him sideways, so I think that's why he feels so big. Yep, I got his line wrapped. Wow, he engulfed this freaking popper. He sucked it right down. I'm gonna have to get my... Ouch. Oh, there we go. It ain't that bad. I thought it was in further than it is. Come on, baby. Where are you? There we go. Nice. Good job. It's a decent fish on top. My popper. There you go, buddy. Dude, he exploded on that. Get bit again? Nice. Little better fish. So awesome, isn't it? Thomas gets another one, lets him go. How many fish did you see there? A lot?
Well, what happened is I pulled in right over the shore. I just dropped it, and it was up behind it, hit it, and one would, another one would come. I'd only seen two at a time.
Yeah.
But this guy hit it where I couldn't see him.
Oh, missed him. Damn it. They're all like mini-me size though over here. Tiny. Real tiny. Look at that thing. I don't even know how he ate the bait. Alright guys, that does it for another episode of Wally Outdoors. Hope you guys had some fun watching these fish being caught here. Coyote was definitely pretty cool. I know it's a little bit tough to see, but he was there. You can see him go across the screen. You have to zoom in with that GoPro when you're editing. It makes it kind of tough, but he was definitely there, and I know you guys will be able to see him. So anyhow, I appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this, if you enjoyed this one. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care, guys.